Hey folks, it's Michael with Avert360. I'm here tonight to do a clean check on an iPad that hasn't been cleaned in a while. I tried to simulate it with a little bit of saliva on the surface using an ATP meter. Now ATP meters have been used for years in the healthcare and the food production market. So what this basically does is it will determine the amount of ATP, the universal unit of energy in all living cells on a surface. It will determine if it's clean. So basically, using this swab, I will swab a surface. It will be collected and then analyzed. Now, when you put it into the meter, it will put light through it. This is a luminometer, so it comes up with relative light units. And what we're going to do is we're going to determine 0 to 50 is really clean. In a hospital setting, 0 to 10 is considered sterile operating room conditions. But 0 to 50 it's been, the surface has been wiped down recently. It's considered clean. 50 to 100 is considered caution or it needs attention. And then over 100 now, this goes into the thousands. And I've tested surfaces in different settings, in homes, in hotel rooms that have been well over 1,000. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this iPad using the swab. So we're going to go across about a 3 or 4 inch square area, turning the sample or the swab at angles, put a little pressure on it to get a nice sample. Now to activate the sample, you basically break the end, you do 2 squeezes, and you shake. And we will put this, once we get it nice and mixed up, we're going to put it into the meter, and we basically hit run test. Now the meter needs to stay in this position during testing. This does hook up to Wi-Fi, which it will immediately send the results to a cloud-based monitoring system. So, gosh, I had just put, this is one of the highest readings I've ever seen, 3,634. So you can tell that I put some saliva on there recently, so that really puts off this meter big time. So I'm going to just take a wet, nice quality microfiber. We're going to just wipe off that area, be sure it's dry, and we're going to go back with another test. As mentioned, the software will track all these tests. It'll prompt you locations throughout a facility. High-touch surfaces are always what you want to go after. So I wipe down this surface. I got another good sample. I break the swab, the Ultra Snap, and I squeeze it twice and then I shake. Get this nice and mixed up. We're going to do a retest. It will ask if I want to put a note in there, and then we will run another test. All right, we did get a pass. We're down to 25 RLUs, so that's definitely a pass. And this meter, like I said, is based off of an iCloud or a cloud system where you can go in and manage your facility by analyzing all the tests. You can see the green is pass, the yellow is caution, red is fail, and then it will randomize the test for you, so your different rooms and different places across the facility will have a randomized plan so you can spot check and have a verified system of the different levels of dirt on or organic matter on different surfaces. Another nice feature is that you can monitor from any central location across multiple locations. The software comes with the meter, and then you buy the tests, and the tests are one-time use. So this is a great way to determine if your staff, your in-house or your outside staff is doing the proper cleaning job. You can see with just one wipe how we took off thousands off of the RLUs. You can learn more on our website.